Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session and cause number M333640, case of style of the state of Texas versus Donovan Foxall. Mr. Foxall, would you please come forward? Now, Mr. Foxall, you went up to the district attorney's office to get an appointment. Is that correct?
I've seen the video.
Oh, you already saw it. Okay. So now what we can do is reset your case, or give you a time to make your announcement. And basically what the announcement is, you could announce to the court whether or not you want to enter a plea, or whether or not a plea, and what I mean by a plea, a person going to enter a plea of either guilty or no contest if they're working out a plea board, trying to work out a plea bargain agreement with the state, or if a person is enters a plea of not guilty, then we can set your case for what is called a jury trial, unless you waive your right to a jury, and then we'll set it for what is called a bench trial. Okay. Now, do you understand? So what I can do is I'm just.
Judge, I don't mean to, I'm not speaking for Mr. Michael in any way. Just communicating with Mr. Gura about this. I believe he mentioned maybe that he wanted to apply for a court-appointed lawyer. Is that right?
Yeah, I spoke with the.
Oh, okay.
But I was under the impression that I would have been known to be but
We're not gonna talk.
Well, okay. Now, Mr. Foxall, as I mentioned to you earlier, you have a right against self-incrimination.
Okay.
And what I mean by that is you have a right not to say anything against yourself. Anything that you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, is there a document on that table? It should have a document on the table before you. One of them is titled Judge's Explanation, Defendant's Right Without an Attorney. That's this one, this document. If not, I could give him this here. Here, you can take this document here. And the other document is, give me an affidavit. Oh, it is? You have that affidavit in, Mr. Sigurd? You have one? No. Well,
Just follow along.
yes, what I'm gonna do is that a full Monty? We're gonna give him that too now. Mr. Foxall, the document that you have before you is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Now, you had previously signed the same document, and you indicated on the document, the same document previously, that you wanted to waive your right to an attorney and to represent yourself. Now, you're changing that, you're making a change, and you stating to the court that you want to apply for a court-appointed attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you would have to put your initials on the third line to the left, and then you're gonna have a seat at that table. You can read that document, but have a seat at that table, and you're gonna fill out those two documents that you have. All right, yeah, he's gonna do the indigents, Jefferson County affidavit of indigent. Now let him have a seat at the table and let him fill that out. Okay. Now, if you need any help, just let us know. Next case is cause number M331930. Case is style of the state of Texas versus, is that Catherine Diane Cormier or Cormier? Cormier? Okay, how are you doing, Ms. Cormier?
Good.
That's good. Now, Ms. Cormier, your case was set this morning, on today's date of June 28, 2023 at 9 a.m. this morning for an announcement. Now, and then you called into the court, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I called to the court and I spoke to my bail bondsman and also tried to call Rife as well.
Okay, but you called into the court and you indicated to the court coordinator that you were on your way, is that correct? That she was running late and you're on your way?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now, state, now your bond was forfeited because you failed to appear. Okay. State, you have a motion?
There's, how many cases, Judge? You got 3 cases or?
I see one.
Just one.
Now, I went to court Monday for that felony, and that's why I got kind of confused, because when I signed the
Oh.
papers out for probation.
Oh, I didn't know.
Withdraw the motion for bond.
So
Okay.
I was thinking it kind of just went in together, so when I talked to my bail bondsman, he said, well, no, you still gotta go to court, for this one. So then I had to get around, that's all I was late. I didn't get no.
Okay, so,
State's gonna do it this time, Judge, not next time.
okay, so the state is withdrawing the bond forfeiture. So that's gonna go away. So you no longer have a bond forfeiture in this case. Okay, now you indicated to the court that you have a felony case. Did they give you a court date?
Well, I'm actually doing probation.
It was disposed of on Monday.
Oh, now you also represented in this case by your attorney, Rife Kimler, is that correct? Okay,
He was on the government team.
okay. Monday in there Monday?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, he sure was, because he was on the trial docket.
Yeah, but
What we can do is maybe give a 30-day reset. Yeah. We're gonna give you a 30-day reset. And this reset is gonna be given to you and your attorney. They will email or fax him a copy of the reset. So y'all need to be back in court on that date. What's that date?
September 6th.
Okay, so this case is reset to September 6th of 2023. And it's on the announcement document. Okay. Just stand in front of our court coordinator. She's gonna reset your case. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.